In this video, I will show you how to create a group in Roblox. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see, on roblox.com. Now, once you're here and you're logged into your account, what you're going to want to do is come over to this menu on the left hand side, and you just want to go ahead and click onto groups. So this is going to take you across to a screen like this. Now, to go ahead and create a group from here, if you look to the right hand side, you've actually got this create group button just at the top, just up here. So go ahead to give that a click. Then what you can do is go ahead and create your group. So what you can do is add a name for your group, and you can also add a description if you want to. It's purely optional if you want to do this. So I've called my group Tech Tutor's Roblox group, and I've just put the description as welcome. And what you can do is add an emblem. So this is going to be your group picture. So what you can do is actually drag the image or select an image from your computer. So what I've done, I've just added my logo, and then what you can do is come down to the settings and choose whether anyone can join or if you want to do manual approval. So once you've done that, you want to come down to the bottom. It does cost 100 Robux to actually go ahead and set this up, but if you're happy with everything, just come down and press the green button to go ahead and set up your group. You're going to get a group purchase confirmation, which is going to look like this, where it says, would you like to create this group for 100 Robux? So you just go ahead and press purchase. Once you've clicked purchase, it's going to take you across to your group screen, as you can see here. And that is basically how to go ahead and create a group on Roblox. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.